Let's talk about some fuzzy math, some Common Core math. The Lyft
That's good
70-30
with that.
split.
You're good with that.
Huh?
You're good with that, aren't you? Common Core math.
Well, this one, I mean, the one that we can talk about next week, I'll take all on because I got so pissed off.
Close. This is pretty close, though. This is pretty close.
Crazy. But this is the one me here. But either way, I mean, so the biggest thing when they came out with, the external expenses is going to be taken out before. Well, we've said, what about our external expenses?
Oh, fuck. We forgot to ask that to Corey. God dang it. You know I forgot. You should have reminded me next time.
Okay. Well, we'll do that next time. But they never put a cap on what the external expenses were going to be. So we kind of just assumed it was going to be similar around. Now, I mean, this one, $46 is the passenger payment. The external expense right here that they claim is $27. I mean, quick math.
60. What is that?
How much?
60%.
I don't know, but it's crazy. Here, I'll do it right now.
58%, bro. Yeah, close to 60%. We're doing the finance channel, bro. I should figure that out. Come on now.
Yeah.
What is it? Okay, don't make me do
57.8. Well,
there you go. I said 58%.
9%.
Okay,
so
58%.
Almost 60%. And then the one that I posted on X was 64%.
Yeah.
I mean, these external fees are getting astronomically bloated at this point.
Yeah.
And
but on their blog, remember when they announced this, right? On their blog, what did they say? On average, 24 cents, 24% of each dollar is going to external expenses. I wrote the article. It's on our blog. Mm-hmm. We talked about it. Literally, I remember like today. It says on average, 24% of the fare goes to external expenses. So this must be an edge case.
I don't know, because I came across the one earlier. Let me pull it up. I don't know if it's on.
This is 58%. What happened to 24%? Okay, my belief in all this is a single chip. You guys cannot look at single chip. I say it all the time. All the emails you guys send me with ridiculous looks like this. There you go.
Right here. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but this is the one that I just posted on X earlier.
What's the fare?
It's $38.99 is the passenger payment. The Lyft estimated external fees is $25.07, which comes to 64+%.
Yeah, I guess that 24% is out of the thing.
The Lyft fee is only $2.13 here, and the driver made $16.05. So that's well over the 70-30 split. But in reality, the driver did not make anywhere close.
Put the old screenshot back 1 second. Put the screenshot back for a second. Not that one, the other one that we had we were talking about.
Hold on.
Yeah. Okay. Check this out, people. Okay. Only in RideShare world that passenger will pay 46 or for almost 47. Driver will make 23. What is that, Chris? That's exactly 50%, right?
About, yeah.
Exactly. Almost literally like to the penny. It's 50%. Okay.
It's like 49.9.
But wait a minute. According to Lyft math, driver made 123%.
Yeah.
How's that working? If we did this,
Common Core math.
If we did this on our finance channel, bro, we'd be bankrupt tomorrow. If I traded stocks like this, I'll be bankrupt immediately.
I don't know, but if I was selling stocks like this, whoo.
Yeah, exactly. That's like selling a sack of potatoes for nothing. Look at this shit, man. 50% the driver makes, but that same 50% looks like 123%.
Lyft, I mean, I'm going to tell you right now.
Pretty good, bro.
You can try selling shit by dressing it up, but it's still shit. You can polish it all you want. It's still shit. I mean, you could put a pig in a dress. It's still a pig.
Yeah, I agree.
It ain't going to happen.
Learn to travel TV. Yeah, you're going to be pegged right at 70%, and everybody else will, unless you have a ride challenge or you have an EV credit, then you'll be above 70%. And
which I think the biggest thing. I think the biggest thing though that we need to discuss when it comes to that is Uber and Lyft stock. on
Oh,
that
we'll talk
channel.
about that. We'll talk about that.
But
We'll talk about that.
uh, yeah, it's quite crazy how the math works out on this. I want to know what you guys think. So make sure you put in the comments.
Well, which is
your
it? Which is it? Did the
thoughts.
driver make 123% or did the driver make only 50%?
The driver made 50%. No matter how you look at it,
No,
the
no,
driver made 50% because
no.
in
Driver made
any world,
123%, bro. Driver made 123%.
according to Lyft's Common Core math, but according to the real math that we've all learned, the passenger paid 46.72. The
Yeah.
driver made 23.28.
Lyft. If the driver made 123% Lyft, it would be like more like $70 Lyft because passenger paid 46.72. You know what I'm saying, Lyft? That's how 123% works. Okay, so
Yeah, I like passenger payments after estimated external fees too.
what the heck?
Like, really? Come on. No, the passenger pay, like, they're trying even to screw that up. No, the passenger payment is exactly 46.72, and then
Yeah.
if they tipped or anything like that, but
No, there was no tip.
I don't see a tip in there.
No, there was
Yeah.
no tip. Yeah, it was
No, that's what I'm
straight
saying,
up.
there's no tip right there, but that's what I'm saying. So the passenger paid 46.72. The passenger payment after external fee, no. That's not how it works, bro. It is a
Well,
this is
what did Len say to your tweet? What did Len say to your tweet? He's our
which one?
professor, Columbia business professor. This guy knows his shit, probably more than Daniel at
Oh,
this
you're gonna
point.
make me look it up now.
What did he say? He says, well, if you take your external expenses out, he said,
All right.
then you only made like 6%.
Let's also deduct your external fees for gas, cleaning, repairs, insurance, and depreciation. Looks like your take rate comes in around 6%. You're a good sport and a good bargain for Lyft.
I agree.
That's what Len Sherman tweeted.
I agree.
Or X. I don't know, whatever.
Only, hey, Daniel, your PhD. How does this math look to you? Does it look good to you? Huh?
Common Core, bro.
Come up with this answer. It's smart ass right here, Daniel. How do you look that? 123% of the passenger paid. Huh? Yeah.
Literally, it's called picking and choosing the numbers that you want to highlight and not highlight, and then you're using the averages or anything. That's the problem with it. So I mean, the thing though that I have a big problem with, and I think everybody really should be getting a big problem with, is these hyper inflated external expense fees that they're claiming. They're getting so goddamn bloated.
I told you this.
57 or 8% right here on this screenshot, 64 on another screenshot that I posted. Come on, this is getting out of hand.
What did I tell you the first time we saw this under embargo? I said those two lines are exchangeable. When one is super high, the late take rate or Lyft service fee is going to be low. If one is super low, which is the external fees, the Lyft take rate is going to be super high. That's how everybody's going to get condensed to 70-30. That's how it's going to work out.
Yep.
There you go.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.